In the last episode, we modified the laser to punch holes in the orchard and install the red shaft red light. If you install the positioning red light, you need to punch a hole to install the infrared hole. After drilling, install the positioning infrared into the hole and fix it. Adjust the position. This is the effect after installation. We put the bag back. To avoid scanning the fiber optic cable and power on the positioning red light. Okay, no problem. Now let's install the cable and straightener. There is a threaded steel wire protection inside, which can effectively protect the optical fiber. Pass the fiber optic through the hole in the cable. After threading it through, we can install the connector and straightener. This is the structure inside the cable. This is the effect after installation. The next episode will start the test.